Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best Ninja blenders in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these Ninja blenders you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. The best blenders are also the most versatile. This blender, a cross between a traditional pitcher blender and a personal blender, features an 1100-watt motor and 6 blades that can crush ice and blend frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. Simple to operate, it has 3 manual speed settings and a pulse button. In addition to the 72-ounce, BPA-free plastic pitcher, which is great for making a large batch of drinks, the set includes 2 16-ounce cups with lids for on-the-go, single-serve smoothies. The cups screw onto the motor base, so you can use it as a personal blender for making individual batches. When it's time to clean up, everything, except for the base, is dishwasher safe. If you're new to the world of Ninja blenders, this also includes a 28-page recipe guide to get you started. Number 2. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. For smaller kitchens without tons of storage space for extra parts and accessories, sometimes simpler is better. This high-powered blender comes with a single 72-ounce pitcher that can hold up to 64 ounces of liquids. The motor base has up to 1400 watts of power for crushing ice and pulverizing hard foods, like nuts, with ease. The manual program's buttons are easy and intuitive, with low, medium, and high speeds along with the pulse button for perfect control of the blending process. In addition, it has 3 preset programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, or creating ice cream from pre-frozen ingredients. Number 3. Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. A true kitchen multitasker, this kitchen system combines a traditional countertop blender, a personal blender for individual drinks, and a food processor all in one. It can handle classic blending tasks like crushing ice and making milkshakes and cocktails, but it also has 2 24-ounce cups that screw on to make individual smoothies for busy mornings. On top of that, it also comes with a 64-ounce processor bowl, which can be used for chopping vegetables for salsa, making purees, and even for kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough using the included dough blade. The system has 5 different auto-hit preset programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, making juices, chopping, and kneading dough. Manual controls include settings for low, medium, and high speed, as well as pulsing. Number 4. Ninja AMZ 493 BRN Compact Kitchen System. If you want all the multitasking functionality of a blender processor combo system, but don't have a lot of kitchen storage space to spare, this compact hybrid system could be the perfect solution. Like the larger Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System, BN801, it can crush ice, chop ingredients, knead dough, and make smoothies and frozen drinks. In addition to the full-size 72-ounce pitcher, which can hold up to 64 ounces of liquids, it comes with a 5-cup processor bowl and an 18-ounce single-serve cup. The streamlined controls include 3 preset programs for making smoothies, blending frozen drinks, and mixing batters or dough, plus a manual pulse button. Number 5. Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. Though compact, this 1000-watt blender is fast and powerful. It comes with an 18-ounce cup and a 24-ounce cup, both with tight sealing sipping lids, so it's perfect for making individual smoothies on the go. The intelligent preset programs mean you can put your ingredients in the cup, press the button, and walk away. All of the removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. compared to the earlier BL455 and BL456 models of the Nutri Ninja Pro blender. The Spruce Eats tested the BL456 model. This upgraded version has received a power boost, 1000 watts instead of 900, and it features buttons for both automatic and manual programs.